We're down south of Miami, Arizona, headed towards Superior, Arizona, and behind me I just flew this FPV. Despite the very high winds, I was able to go up almost to the top and dive it down and then fly some proximity amongst some of the spires up near the top. The only problem was my Avata 2, DJI Avata 2, has a 1,500 foot elevation lock. So when I hit 1,500 feet above where I take off, it stops me. So I was unable to get all the way to the top. It's probably nearly 2,000 feet to the top of it. But I got far enough up that it looked really interesting, and there were some really good proximity dives, almost vertical dives out of it. So I think that's going to look great. Thanks for watching.
The ridge you're looking at is called Apache Leap. In 1870, the U.S. cavalry pinned down a band of Apache warriors right on the very top. They were outnumbered, they were facing certain defeat, and they refused to surrender, so 75 warriors leaped to their death off the cliff face in complete defiance. I think it's important that we respect history, we respect the legend, and we respect the terrain. While it's completely legal to climb up there, it just seems more appropriate to me to explore those rocks this way as opposed to on foot, given the gravity of the situation that happened there so long ago. you.